Today, I am going to be sharing with you 15 reasons why I joined MWR Life's Travel Advantage program. Now, you're going to want to watch this all the way to the end because at the end, I give away some really cool stuff. So, if this is your first time here, my name is Coach Nevada. I help men and women 50 and over build a profitable business online without tech overwhelm or paying for ads. And I help you never have to say, I can't afford it ever again in life. So, let's jump right into it. Number one, it is a $10 trillion industry. So, what exactly does that mean to you? It means that massive demand equals endless opportunities. It means that you can build this outside of your backyard. It's a global opportunity. It also means that this isn't new, it's not a trend. People are already doing it. I mean, people already understand travel, so you don't have to take 20, 30 minutes to explain to them what it is. And it's not going anywhere. Number two, as of the recording of this video, we are located in 150 different countries and we have offices in 5 continents across the country. So why is this important? It means we are global. You don't have to build this in your backyard. It's a worldwide. Number three, I love that there is massive value in the membership, regardless of whether you decide to work it as a business or share or refer someone else. It is a valuable membership because you're going to get deep discounts on hotel stays. You're going to be able to stay at a 4 and 5 star hotel for 2 star prices. So the membership is valuable regardless of whether you decide that you want to do it as a business. That is huge. And on top of that, you get discounts on cruises and flights and transfers. When you're at the airport, maybe you're going on a cruise and you need to get a transfer that will take you from the airport to the cruise terminal, you get discounts on that too. Oh, I almost forgot. And car rentals too. Number four, we have 24/7 customer service to handle your vacation concerns. And you get to talk to a human. And I know anybody listening to this realizes the importance of being able to talk to a human. Number five, it's the first company to integrate AI. And what does that mean for you? It means that when you're going to go on a trip, you're planning a vacation, you can tell the AI what it is that you like to do, what you like to eat, the types of activities that you like, and they will plan out your itinerary for you. Or even if you don't know what you want to do, they will give you an itinerary. Number six, it's a membership, and that is something that we are very familiar with. There's Amazon Prime, Netflix, Costco's. Memberships are a part of our society. Number seven, the compensation plan pays a whopping 85% back to the field. And I don't really have to do a whole lot of explaining about 85%. Number eight, it is literally the best compensation plan that I have ever seen. And I'm going to put an emphasis on ever seen in my 40 plus years of being in the home-based business industry. And we'll discuss a little bit more about the compensation plan at another time. Number nine, I like that there is a place for everyone to be able to get started. I mean, our lowest membership is only $20. And no, that does not maximize the compensation plan. Yes, most people start at Turbo Elite or Elite, but hey, get in where you fit in. You can always upgrade. Number 10, MWR Life believes that we have the best hotel prices in the industry, and they put their money where their mouth is. Therefore, they give 150% match if you find something cheaper. Number 11, I don't have to be a travel agent. Ain't nobody got time for that, right? I'm not booking vacations for people and all that kind of thing, because if you're a member, you can log on and you can book your own vacation. Now, I will log on to the portal to compare pricing if someone asks me if what they're currently getting on another travel platform, if my prices are cheaper, then I will do that. But that travel agent stuff, nah, ain't nobody got time for that. Number 12, I love it that we are a travel only company because it's a $10 trillion industry. It's like everybody's trying to get in, trying to dip their big toe in the water. So it's like they're selling coffee and tea and travel. And when you do travel only, then you become the best at your craft because that's all you do. You're not just dipping your toe in the water. You're not just trying to get a piece of the action. You are the action. But you do have many companies out there that are white labeling the travel products just so that they can get a piece of the pie. They're not able to offer the lowest savings, but they got their foot in the door. Number 13. Now, this one is huge. We get to be at the top of a launch, at the beginning of a launch without actually being a new launch. Now, how is that possible? Make it make sense. We are the top travel club in Europe, and we have been over the last like 10 years. So this is not a new company. They're just now launching North America. So being able to be at the beginning of a launch is like a super powerful. Number 14. MWR Life, they own their own platform. A lot of these other travel companies that you see popping up all over the place, it's white label. They don't own their own platform, so they don't really have control. Well, MWR Life, they have control because they own their own platform. So they're in a better position to be able to bring you the best savings in the industry. Coming in at number 15, we are a debt-free company. So that is what allows us to pay 85% back out to the field and also run promotions and contests to help us grow our business. So there you have it, 15 reasons why I joined MWR Life's Travel Advantage program. And for those who partner with me, I do give you a free webpage for you to use to market your business so that you don't look like everybody else out there that's marketing MWR Life. You can brand yourself. And I also give you my free guide. I created a free guide with 5 strategies that I use to get free leads. And I make sure that you have that free guide as well. So I have included some information under this video to help you get started. That's it. Bye bye for now.